found it. Ratigan's secret lair. And it's filthier than I imagined. Doors! The bottle! It's stuck, Olivia.
Bravo! Bravo! A marvelous performance. Though frankly, I expected you 15 minutes earlier. Trouble with the chemistry set, old boy.
Ratigan, no one can have a higher opinion of you than I have. And I think you're a slimy, contemptible...
Oh, by the way, Basil, I just love your disguise. Well, one would hardly recognize you. The greatest detective.
Ratigan, so help me, I'll see you behind bars yet, you!
Oh, isn't it clear to you? The superior mind has triumphed. I've won that!